All right. You're gonna learn today.
YouTube, does your blower motor only work on high? Like no matter what you turn on, heater, AC, same thing, it only blows on high? I'm about to show you guys what the problem is. Alright YouTube, so like I was saying, I'm going to show you what the problem is. This is your problem right here. If you have a Dodge Ram van, it is located on the passenger side under the hood. This is it right here. Very easy repair. Let me give you a better look at it, at the new one. So this is a blower motor resistor. So the first sign that your blower motor resistor is bad, everything only works on high. The blower will only blow on high. The second sign that is bad, you won't be able to get anything at all. It won't work at all. Alright, so we're still in stage one. We're blowing on high. I'm going to fix that right now. Now this is a very easy repair. This is it. It's only held in place by 2 screws. All you have to do, hold on a second, is disconnect this plug right here, like that. It's a little tab under the bottom here that you push to disconnect it. Disconnect the plug and take out these 2 Phillips screws. I'll cut you back on. I'm not going to bore you guys with taking out screws. Okay, YouTube, it's the last screw. 2 Phillips screwdriver, 2 Phillips screws. Is all that's in that's holding it in. Now let me take this out. That's it, YouTube. Well, this one got a little crud in it, but that's it, YouTube. Pull out the old one. Take the new one. So now we're going to put the new one in. That's it. Put the screws back in. And I'm going to tighten this up and I'll cut you guys back on. Alright YouTube, so the new one is in. I put the plug back in. I reconnected the negative post on the battery. Now we're going to get back inside and make sure everything works. Let me cut you back on. Alright YouTube, I turned the switch back on. Now we're going to turn and see it, make sure we got it. Can you hear it? It's working. Off, low. Well, it's working, YouTube. That's all we needed. Still got high, still got everything. Alright, YouTube, that's it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 5-minute repair. Alright, YouTube, I'll catch you guys on the next one.